Hello everyone, today we will see that how we can write a subtraction program in C. Okay, so this is the folder 3. Okay, in this 3 folder we have already done the addition and the Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion. Okay, let's see how we can write a file where we can do some subtraction. Okay, this is a file. Now just zoom in. Okay, write dash include stdio stdio.h main. After this write int a x y and z. Okay, so instead of that we use subtraction or use difference. Okay, because sometimes the subtractions is also called as difference. After this create a value like 10 y is equal to 20. Okay, and depth is equal to y minus x. Okay, and now we have to write the statement to print the difference between these two variables. Okay, just open this, right click, open reveal in file explorer. Okay, just write cmd, write gcc. After gcc you have to write the file name, which is this one, sub.c dot dash output. It means I want to output or create a file which is sub.exe. Okay, now if our programs compile successfully, now we can run our program like this sub.exe. Okay, or the value is 10. Okay, so yeah, we have successfully write the program and do some differences on these two variables. Okay, keep in mind, what if I do x and y, what will be the value? Let's see. Let's compile this again and run this sub.exe, and it is now dash 10 or minus 10, sorry. So why it shows us the minus 10? Because this integer is a signed integer. Okay, this integer is a signed integer. Okay, and signed integers can return negative value. Thanks for watching.